Good morning, everybody. It's now freezing, the weather is official. But today, I am moving my stuff to the garage, because hey, I've started my holidays, so I'm moving on. So today will be a moving day, taking all the equipment that I have here, bringing it into the little shed where the Benz is. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. Oh man, this is the remaining parts from the Ford Focus. Somebody needs to come and get these parts out. All of this stuff here needs to go there. The compressor, I don't know, the hoover will go later, but mainly the tools first. Those buckets there. Jack stands, important. That's it pretty much, really. All the welding machines. This piece of equipment there. And the wheels too, they need to go because these wheels are for the Benz. Pretty much, that's it. All the stuff in here needs to go, and I'm gonna be taking it now one by one into the car. See you then. I'm gonna move the Benz now from here, so I'm gonna reverse it back into there. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I wanna bring the Fiat 500 out as well and reverse the Benz back into it. That way, I can load all my stuff from here. Okay, will she start? I wonder. Okay, will it start? Let's see. That's the coldest start I ever heard. She did start indeed. Okay, I'm gonna pull this back out. How much room does it have? Can you fit a body in here? Yeah. We are out of space for this side, so the next thing is to put the stuff in the other side of the door and in the front, and that's it. I need a dumb estate. Estate would have more room. These seats don't fold or break. It's crazy. That's just about it. There is room in the Mercedes. And that's it, so we'll take it from here.
It's shit that.
Every single vehicle is snowed out there. Our baby is nice and dry. So boys, that's everything out of the car. And all I need is now to find a nice shelf to shelf up all the things that I've brought here and then start working in here. But major works will start out in January because I can't finish the wiring here. I need to finish the wiring in the shed at the house. But as soon as I'm done with that, then we're back in business, baby. We're coming here and we're gonna start working on this W202. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you like what I'm doing with these Benzes, man, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I see the future, baby. The future is going to be big. It's going to be great. So, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. One last thing as well. I said thank you very much for the 500 subscribers. It's been an honor. 500 people are watching the channel right now, which is great, man. It's been an honor. So thank you very much for those 500 subscribers, guys. I'm very grateful for everything else. And, man, don't stop being generous. Keep sharing, liking, and subscribing to the channel.